Today we are unboxing the brand new DDJ FLX 4 by Pioneer. Here's the top, here's the back, there's the bottom. Let's open it up. So why I bought this, I wanted something cheap, something that worked with both Rekordbox and Serato, that I could use for cheaper gigs, and something that would be good for practice and really portable. I had something similar, but I sold it, so it was time for something new. Back, take out this packaging, let's see what we have. All right, so this is the unit, and we've got our basic mixer strip in the middle, pretty standard. Got everything you'd expect: filter, your high, mid, and lows, your trim, your selector for your songs, your load buttons for each deck. The decks are standard. Everything about this is pretty much like a standard, 2-channel mixer, CDJ setup. Plus you've got your performance pads. And it's pretty small. I don't know if you can see my thumb, but it's like, I don't have the world's smallest thumbs, but like I'd say these pads are smaller than I'm used to, but that's cool because I wanted something compact. And let's look at the top, see what we have on the back. So we've got your main output, which is only going to be RCA. You have a 1/4 inch, not XLR, microphone input, and it looks like you control the volume from the mic back here on this thing. Feels kind of cheap, but kind of what you expect. And let's see, Android mono stereo. Well, that's cool. I guess you can select between a mono and a stereo output, which is actually something handy and I haven't really seen before. And it looks like you've got your output to USB-C to connect your computer or tablet or phone, and you've got your power supply. And I don't think this came with a power supply, so I'm guessing it doesn't require one. Looks like here we've got one USB-C cable, and I do not see a power supply, so I'm guessing, like a lot of things these days, this can power up off of your computer's power or tablet's power, but that they give you the option in case you want to help save the battery on your computer. Oh, and it also has a locking port, which is handy because, sometimes these things have a way of walking off on their own.